Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ TV. E don settle another prophecy for Baba T. This one na about the hair status and the release of Nnamdi Kalu. My people, we greet you now. Welcome una specially to this our channel. One Pastor Kingsley don come drop another fresh prophecy and warning for Baba T. According to this pastor, he talk say Baba God tell him say na mystery Baba T go take end up if he no withdraw for this presidential race. Say e status e no dey okay at all and God I no dey destined to be president for Naija. He still talk about Nnamdi Kalu wey dey president since. He talk say na Obi Danti government na im get the power go fit release Nnamdi Kalu for prison yard. No be small thing, my people. This pastor he talk plenty things. So anyway, my people, make I leave una, make una watch the video. When they talk all these things, oh yeah, make una watch the video.
2 in 1. I have 2 prophecies for you. The first prophecy is a prophetic message from the Lord that Bola Tinubu health will deteriorate. I repeat, Bola Tinubu's health will deteriorate. The second prophecy is a reflection of prophecy that I gave last year. The prophecy is that Peter Obi or Obi Dati government is ordained by God to release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. I repeat, Peter Obi or Obi Dati government has been ordained by God to release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. These are the 2 prophecies for today. I hope viewers all over the world, you are praying towards the new Nigeria. Like I told you, this is a period of national redemption. And in this period of national redemption, it is a time to go into your closet and pray for the new Nigeria. There will be a new birth. It will come to pass. I will start the 2 prophecies by reading 2 anchor verses that the Lord gave to me. I have this prophetic message for Bola Tinubu. Is a warning. The Lord said to me that his health will deteriorate. The Lord said to me that shame is ahead of him. There are counsel that the Lord has given to me. The counsel of the Lord for him is that he should withdraw from this presidential pursuit. The Lord has told me, like he said, in October 5 last year, the Lord told me in that October 5 that Bola Tinubu will end in mystery. You remember I told you in that October 5 that he will be strong to go through the campaign. Many people were of the notion that he is going to be sick, he will be weak. And I said, no, go to October 5 and check the word of knowledge that I gave to you by the message from the Lord. In that October 5, 2022, I told you that Bola Tinubu will be strong. And I said it in that October 5 that he will go through the campaign strong. But the Lord told me that mystery awaits him at the end. I said it at that October 5. One of the mystery that is misery that is awaiting him is his health challenge. He's going to have a health challenge. From now, you will begin to see his health deteriorate, because the Lord said he will lay on him the disease of the Egyptians. This is because he is not the perfect will of God. This is because it is not the will of God that he will go for presidency. God is in search for somebody who will lead Nigeria to a new Nigeria. It is unfortunate that he is not chosen. And the Lord said, his health will deteriorate. The Lord told me, he said, I love birth. He said, but grace has passed in. There is a time for grace. There's a time when grace is past. This is a period when grace for Bola Tinubu is past. God opened my eyes in a vision, and I see Bola Tinubu wounded and sick, looking sickly, and he slept by the roadside, dejected and rejected. And I saw Buhari, the vice president, and Peter Obi, they go through a vehicle and they left him, and the night became dark. The place became darkened there. The night reached him there. It was not a good end. And that's why I am using this medium to echo the word of God, the prophecy of God, that sickness have started. Is not even awaiting. His health will deteriorate. And the Lord said, he will not rule Nigeria. Like I said, that he will near the corridor of power, but he will not sit on the seat of presidency. The second prophecy that I will give to you for today is the prophecy concerning Nnamdi Kanu. I have given a lot of prophecy concerning Nnamdi Kanu, including the Biafra actualization. I told you in December that the Biafra actualization will not involve fight, struggle, or war. It will be a peaceful thing. I told you that the set time is from above. God has ordained a set time. No need to struggle for it. And God said to me that this will not happen except the new Nigeria is born. It is after the new Nigeria is born and Nigeria is transformed that Nigeria will grow up to a matured level and we negotiate to separate. But the Lord said to me that the Obi-Dati government is the government that will free Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. I said this since last year. I said it since last year that it is Obi-Dati government, Obi that will free. I said it's Obi, it will be that will free Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. Why unconditionally? Because the Biafra will be appeased by Obi government.
My people, now don't see the video. Now hear what this pastor talk. Not be small thing. No, he talk plenty things. So this Baba T head so where you talk about how it not they qualify and destined to be president for Nigeria. Not be small thing, my people. And also about Nnamdi Kalu they prison yard since all this war. He talking now Obi-Dati government na go feel release am for prison yard unconstitutionally. No understand though. Anyway, my people will not know. But once you na comment, una drop una comment in the comment section. Una take about all this matter where this man talk. And also, una not forget to like and share this our video. Now do well. See you in our next video. Bye.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.